How to fix Strava not recording distance. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Strava not recording distance. The first thing you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Strava. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now, once your application has been fully updated, you want to head over to your settings, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Then from this list of applications, go ahead and find Strava, then tap on that. Now, what you want to do here is tap on the permissions option. Here, make sure that location is allowed. The major reason why Strava is not recording distance is because you have not given permission of location. So go ahead and tap on this. Then tap on allow while using the app option. Next thing you want to do is toggle on the option of use precise location. So if the precise location is off, apps can access your approximate location. This might cause some error while recording distance, so make sure that you have always toggled on the option of precise location. Once you have done both of these settings, head back, open the Strava app, and this issue of Strava not recording distance will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.